Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another video by Cryptorado. Hope everybody has having a great day, and I know I am. Everything's looking great. I mean, we had a good weekend. It was like stable and like going up a tiny bit and bit by bit getting, but yeah, overall it wasn't quite volatile. It was quite stable. Anyway, I'm gonna give you an update on all the news that we had over the weekend and today, and yeah, we'll jump right into it because there's loads to go over today. Now I'm going to start off with this great article over this NBA player that promises to give all of his teammates Bitcoin if Ethereum based bond is approved. Now this guy, his name is Spencer Dinwiddie. He plays for the Brooklyn Nets. He's a guard, and he earns 34.3 million in a 3-year contract he got, and he put that as collateral to back a digital token designed as an investment for him. Now, of course, the NBA like filed a bit of a lawsuit against him because, yeah, it went against their ideas, and you know how it goes. I mean, crypto, like as an investment, it was like, it's starting to get some track, but it was like a scary investment for big institutions. Now, NBA is apparently looking closely to the revisions, but the guy himself, Dinwiddie, Spencer Dinwiddie, he says if it gets approved, he's going to be giving out Bitcoin to all his teammates. Now, this is great because it's in the news. People are reading this and they're like, what's Bitcoin? What's Ethereum? What's this? What's that? Oh, he's an NBA player. He's got loads of money. If he's into it, because he put like the whole, like, it's a 3-year contract this guy had, and he was going to earn 34 million, and he just put all of it as collateral to back this digital token. So people are going to be like, why is he putting it into that? And should I be putting money into that? And yeah, nice news. Next up is Ripple. Ripple's in the news again, XRP. Who's using XRP payments products? And they name, it's on a daily huddle, they name 24 fintech companies that say they're on board. Now, I'll just go over a few of them, like the bigger ones. They've got TransPay Go, MoneyGram, as you all know, TransferGo, The Americas, Euro, Exim Bank, SBI, that's a big one, SendFriend. But we've also got Bitrue. I've never talked about Bitrue on this channel, but Bitrue is really a legit exchange. Like 80 XRP pairs they've got now, so that's a great exchange if you if you're right deep into XRP and wanna trade with XRP. You don't have to change it into Bitcoin or Ethereum first. You can just swap like XRP for 80 other digital and fiat currencies. What else we got? We got Bittrex, Bitso, Bitstamp, Mercury, Catalyst, and then there's a few others that not many people know of. But like in a recent review, MoneyGram CEO Alexander Holmes said it's still early days for on-demand liquidity, and that his company is working to perfect a new money transfer model. The platform currently powers 1/10 of MoneyGram's transaction volume between the US and Mexico. So I don't know if you guys know, but you can look at like liquidity bot and that's on Twitter, and it says how much liquidity is going through MoneyGram and like the XRP pair compared to Mexican pesos and Philippine dollar, and like it's a lot of money that's going through there, and that's only 1/10. So God knows where this can keep on going. Now, another Ripple article. You all know that the lawsuit that was filed against Ripple is coming to the court date. It's the 15th, so it's going to be tomorrow, 15th of January. And Ripple's in the news because Brad Garlinghouse, or as people might know him as Brad Garlingson, calls XRP lawsuit outrageous as pivotal court date approaches. And there's a whole article why he's saying XRP isn't a security, and XRP isn't a security. I mean, I know most of you, if you like XRP, you know Galgatron, and he's got a big blog. If you go to his blog, you can see like loads of articles, and one of those articles is why XRP is not a security. So I'm gonna put it down in the description. Go and have a look, because XRP is not a security. But that court date is tomorrow. We all know, well, we all think we know that it's gonna get postponed and it's gonna sit back a few months later. But it's just, I don't know why they're putting it back. Everybody knows it's not a security, so. Anyway, next up, now, judge orders Craig Wright to prove he's Satoshi. He has to unlock 9.2 billion Bitcoin in 20 days. Look, I don't know if you guys know this. I've only had this channel for like a few weeks now, but a few months ago, Craig Wright was in the news because he's like saying he's Satoshi Nakamoto and he's gonna prove it and all this and all that. Now, he's not Satoshi Nakamoto. Like, nobody knows who Satoshi is, and some people think he's dead. And other people are saying that Satoshi Nakamoto wasn't just one person, but it was a group of all these hackers and like, yeah, really smart people. It wasn't just one person. So, yeah. Anyway, he has to prove he's Satoshi Nakamoto by unlocking 9.2 billion Bitcoin that he has, or supposedly has, in 20 days. We'll see how that goes. I don't really believe in it. Now, I've been reading all your comments, and there's quite a few Tron, like, holders out there. So, I'm gonna thank you guys for listening. Sorry that I haven't been talking about Tron all this much. Just because I'm really in like top 10 coins, especially, yeah, as you know, XRP, Cardano. I like Bitcoin. I like Ethereum. But I haven't got any Tron. I used to have Tron, but I sold it all because like I wasn't 100% in it. But I hear you guys are really into it, and there's an article about Tron today. You might all know, if you're a guy from the 90s like I am, there was this superstar on YouTube, Pewdiepie, and what he used to do is he used to commentate on the videos while he was playing Minecraft, and it was really funny because this guy was a total lunatic. And I mean, this guy made millions on YouTube by stupid videos like that, and I mean, I could have done it. I mean, it was so stupid. But he did it, and yeah, kudos to him. But now he's working with Tron and BitTorrent, and he's setting up like, yeah, a little streaming thing. And yeah, he's got a new platform that he's sending his videos on, and he says that BitTorrent has over 100 million users of its own, and says he's a believer in DLive because of its mission to reward both creators and viewers on the platform. He says, one of the reasons I joined DLive is because their mission is to not take any of the streaming's earnings, and that's how they support streamers in a huge way. Yeah, he's a streamer, so of course he'd be like really liking them. He says it's also been very nice to watch it grow, and DLive actually rewards you guys for engaging with creators, which other sites don't. Yeah, all good. Everybody's getting rewarded to watch videos. I mean, all good. All extra earnings. So that's a bit of Tron news for you. We all know if you want Tron news, you just have to go on Twitter and follow Justin Sun, because the minute something happens, he's right on Twitter and he's always posting about it. And that's why there's so much hype around Tron, in my opinion, is because their founder, their CEO, is always putting it on Twitter, which is good. I mean, can't say anything about it. Now, if you've been watching the market cap and you've seen the prices, you might have seen that from yesterday to today, the market cap overall has gone up 10 billion. Bitcoin has gone up $400. XRP gone up %. I mean, this is like all 5% gains, like on Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, all the way top 10 are making massive gains. I'm not even going to talk about Bitcoin SV because I don't believe in the coin. It's Craig Wright again that thinks he's Satoshi Nakamoto. No, don't believe it. But anyway, now people are wondering what's triggered this. Like the last few days, we've seen a big uptrend. It's nice. It's nice to see. And people are wondering what's happened. Now, I found this bit of news on Daily Hodl, and it's CME Bitcoin options go live. Now this was yesterday, and since then the price has gone even higher. You can see it because of the volume as well. Now anyway, cryptocurrency traders now have a new way to gain exposure to Bitcoin. CME Group, owner and operator of leading derivatives, options and future exchanges, opened options on its Bitcoin futures contracts on Monday. Now, the release of CME's Bitcoin options is the next level of its hedging business, which first began in December of 2017 when it launched its Bitcoin futures. Now, you see, there's some more options to trade Bitcoin, and CME options on Bitcoin futures give the buyer of a call or put the right to buy or sell one Bitcoin futures contract at a specified strike price at some future date. So it's another way to be trading, and this is just boosting up volume, and boost up volume, price goes up. I mean, it's always like this. When you see the volume spike, all the prices go up. Now, talking about Bitcoin, the next major resistance was like at 8,300, 8,400. Now it's gone past that. I'm going to have a quick look now, just refresh it. Now Bitcoin is sitting at this moment at $8,515, depending on where you look, of course. And like this resistance level has been broken, and the bulls are targeting the next resistance level, which they say is at 8,600. They're also saying once we've hit that big resistance level, we can go right up to the 9,500 range and push on to 10,000. So it's looking good. If you go on Twitter, if you go on news articles, websites, there's no bad news. It's like 2017 all over again. More people are tweeting about crypto, more people are tweeting about Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, even tomato coin, as the digital asset guy calls it. I mean, it's everywhere, and I'm really feeling positive about it because, I mean, everybody's back in action, everybody's trading again, it's weird, but it's just got this vibe to it again, and I think the next bull market, I'm always careful when I talk about these things, but I'm going to say it out loud now. I really think the next bull market has started, and it's going to take much longer than it did in 2017. 2017, if you looked, it was like 30 days or so that it was really in a big uptrend. I think it was like, for Bitcoin, it was around September. What am I saying? Around the mid of November till the mid of December. And XRP was like from the beginning of December till the beginning of January. So you see, it's always 30 days. I think this one's going to go slower but longer. So it's going to be a longer uptrend. This is my idea. This is not financial advice. I'm no financial advisor, but this is what I think, what I believe in. So we'll see. I mean, anyhow, I'm bullish, and I think the price is going to go back up. And they are slowly going back up. Now, I thank you guys for listening. I really appreciate your comments when you push the like button, when you subscribe. I love the support. Leave a comment down below if you want me to talk about something special. I just want to talk about something special before I head off here. And as I'm talking about the bull market, I'd like you guys not to forget, really please, have an exit strategy. I'm going to be making a video on this a little bit later in the week, maybe in a day or two. But just make sure you've got an exit strategy and keep yourself to it. Please, please, please. Because many people, me included, in 2017 when everything went up, because it went up so fast and only in 30 days, you think it's going to keep going up. No, these bull markets are really short. Even though I think the next one's going to be longer, they are overall really short. And just have your fixed prices set in your head and sell at those prices. Take profit. Alright? Guys, thank you all for listening. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Crypto Rado out. Bye.